Right, okay guys, so here we are back at the Outpost in Chester. This was Sunday the 1st of October. Just getting ready to play our first game, which is a game of Domination. There's 3 flags in the field. We are the red team. We've got to capture the flags, put the red flags up. The other team are the blue team, and here we go now. Just in case anybody's wondering, I'm now using, I have a G&G PDW 15, which is also known as a Honey Badger assault rifle, and a Vorsk VX9, I think it is, yeah, VX9 1911 pistol I'm using today. So as you can see, we've gone down the left hand side that I like in this particular game. We'll just have a little look at the game for a minute. You will see that I dissolve it in a couple of times to take out some of the boring bits, but we're under fire a bit here, and I'm about to take a nasty headshot. I think it's the camera coming up. Oof.
Hit.
There you go. So I've edited out the boring bits of walking back to the spawn, using the doing the walk of shame back to respawn. So we're back off again now, and we're pinned in a bit here. That's why we're running. We're pinned in a bit by the blue team, so we've got to make a bit of a run for it. As you can see, we're so close to our spawn, but being really careful. Oh, look what I walk into here. Look at this, around this corner. Oh, hit straight away again. Don't know if you see, but there was a good bunch of them around that corner. Them back in the game now.
Not that I can see. Yeah, there is, yeah.
Under fire again.
Straight up here, I think, straight up this alley. Can you see any?
Just scared to put my head out here after what happened last time, and you can hear as soon as they get sight.
Yeah, definitely. I'm taking fire, but I'm not sure. I think it.
As soon as they get sight on us, we are under fire straight away. About to come under some rapid fire here.
Can you? Straight off.
Watch out, oh yeah, there's somebody up there, definitely.
I'd say.
No. Don't go that way, don't go that way.
Fucking nettles behind me, man.
So you might hear some swearing throughout these airsoft videos, by the way, guys. It just is what it is. The videos are not fit for children to watch. I do note that on the YouTube video when it's uploaded. But yeah, you can't help yourself when you're in the field being shot at. A little naughty word pops out now and again. So the top right of the screen is one of the flags. It's not actually a flag. I didn't realise this. It's just like this. You see, it's something you spin round, just a couple of bits of wood, and you spin it to be a blue at the top or red at the top. See at the top right, like a little cross. That's what I'm going for here. Get contact with somebody here, have a little shootout with somebody. There it is. Can't believe I didn't actually shoot. There you go, there I got him. Hit. He's taking his hit there. I'm a bit reluctant to go straight up. There's somebody else there.
Did your nightmare fight over there?
I must have got the other guy, or he just backed out, I think. The other one who was there. Still very reluctant to go for that flag point though. Yeah, go and make a break for it. I have no idea what I'm doing with this, but I edited out a few more squares. I contemplated getting under there and lying there. I probably should have, to be honest, but it was just a bit too wet. I haven't got any combat gear yet. I've got some on order. Unfortunately, it's coming from China.
I don't know what you do.
I've just realised, so it should be here this week.
Yeah, I've got it.
That was me confirming to my team that I've got it and telling them that I didn't know what I was supposed to do, but you can see I've put it
Coming out, boys, coming out.
Tried to duck under that, but went straight into the fence with the camera.
Push up, push up. Whoa. Oh, watch out. Good success. Push, push, push.
What I did for the rest of this game, I probably edited this out for a bit, but I kind of sat here for a while, seeing if any of the blue team would come for that flag. It was a great position, I thought, but nobody came. So yeah, this is approaching the end of the game now. It's gone down to last man standing. That means the last 5 minutes, there's no capture the flag. It just turns into a last man standing. Or you've got to try and get to the other team's spawn.
See him, see him. Go on, moving, moving.
Go on, get going.
Having a bit of a shootout with the guy.
Ah, hit!
There. And I'm out. Look at this guy to the right, see him run across the bridge there. Dive right down on his back. Having a shootout with somebody, look. And then legs it.
Played, lad.
I give him his due there.
No, I'm keeping an eye on the road. Just stand behind.
This is game 2, so it's the same game. Game of domination. Red team versus blue team. Got to get the flags, but you start the other end of the other end of the map. I didn't record too much of this because I didn't have a great game this game because my goggles were steaming up so much. So I had to I just didn't have too much of a great game. I need new goggles. You can get goggles with little air vents. Well, not air. They've got like well, yeah, I suppose it is little air vents in them. It stops them steaming up, but I didn't have that. So although the camera can see, I couldn't see that well. I do capture one of our lads taking a great tumble in a minute though. It's a fantastic thing to get on camera, this.
We're red team, aren't we? So we've got that flag.
Yeah. There's one in there.
Where?
In Sintown in the windows.
In the windows.
What we doing? We're taking the flags. We took the middle one. There's that one over there.
Here he comes now. Watch where the flag is. Hey.
I've got that on camera.
Let's see that again. Let's see that again. It's a bit of slow-mo.
Brown one.
He dealt with it well, didn't he?
The window.
Dealt with it well.
Hit! Hit! Yeah, let's go for it. Got him.
There he is. Go, guys. It does.
Go.
That's my lad right next to me there.
Don't look up that way. Well, this way? No, don't look up the other way. They've got the flag, haven't they? They have, yeah. Can I run through here? Yeah, come on. Go. Go left of the IBC! Go down the corner. Oh. Oh.
I think that one hit. So that was the end. That was the end of that game. So this is the start of the next game. This is attack and defend. So we are the red team again. We are defending our base. We only get 1 life down at this section, and it's up to the blues to take our base as quickly as they can. Once we look at that guy with the sniper down to the left. Not a sniper, that is, I think. Anyway, so the blue team have got to try and take our base as quickly as they can, and then it's like a timed event. When it's our turn to attack, we've got to try and beat their time. So they just have to rush us, and we just have to sit here trying to pick them off. They get multiple lives, unlimited respawn lives though.
Just about to say, you shooting there? It sounded like that.
In this game, we only get 1 life down at this front section, and then 1 life at the back section. Let's me reload him.
Throw back in. Hit!
Yeah, that's my life taken out the front. So then, like I say, we now go to the back to defend the back. So here we are defending the back. So the blues rushed us pretty quick in this game. Put us under quite a lot of
I'm over that side, Cam.
pressure.
Right, they're pushing hard on the right, watch yourself!
But to be fair, the blue team played very well this particular game.
See there, Cam. Are you there?
The bell they've got to ring is like right behind where I am now. There's only 2 ways they can come in, basically the right where I am or the left.
You hit?
Yep. Dead man coming through!
Grenade there. That's it, the smoke grenade. There's a lot of them coming through down there, so I decided it's time for a grenade in a minute. Here we go, grenade time. Here we go. And the marshal shouts no kill, so that was a complete waste of a grenade.
Hey!
There's me taking my shot.
I'm fucking dead.
That means I'm out.
I am fucking dead. Hit me.
And that's their victory dance that somebody's got on walking in his backpack, the Venga bus. Each to their own, I suppose.
There's an LMG just on the side there. He's fucking just mount. He's got a.
Right, so now switched up, so it's our turn to attack. This time, so we start up this end, and we've got to try and take their base. So they took our base in, I think it was I think it was 15 minutes or something like that they took ours, so it's up to us to try and beat that time. Take their base, so as soon as it starts you'll see you just kind of run as quick as you can to get behind a couple of these tyres, get cover. There you go, here we all go. Get cover and start trying to take them out. They did have a couple of snipers on the top.
Sniper on the
Which
top
I
there.
think I did take out here.
Snipers are down.
Yeah, you see, it's just about rushing forwards and getting behind. Getting cover, keep moving forwards and take them out. Having some fun along the way as well.
Ah, they're behind the black there. Whoa! He's nearly got me there, I've seen them coming. I'm gonna move here.
I think one pings off my gun in a sec.
Ah, hit!
Oh no, there you go. Took a hit. So we've advanced further down towards their base, but if you see the black mesh right in front,
Go on,
there's a
straight
guy.
in, go on.
One of their guys sitting right behind that, not moving. Just waiting for us to try and run past him.
Ah, behind there. Got him, yeah. There's one behind the mesh,
I'm trying
to
to
your right.
warn this guy. Run straight into him.
Gotta get in behind that mesh.
Anybody got grenades?
No.
Grenades, clear left! Anybody?
Go, Cal.
It's Cameron going for it.
Cal.
He got him.
We're gonna have to rush him, boys. We're gonna have to rush him.
Yeah, run it.
Rush him, boys. Rush. Hey.
So that's the front cleared. Now we start moving up towards the back.
Are we good down here?
No.
There's loads up there.
See the lad to the right just in front, he's got a pistol only. That's actually my pistol because his gun broke. So going into the last game I let him use my pistol, but it means he's gone in
Go ahead,
to an
Cal.
entire game with just a pistol.
Yeah, there's a few here, mate.
It gets really tasty up at this point. It's really close quarters
Yeah, I have.
fighting. See, I've just been hit there from the right,
Hit!
and again as I'm walking out. Somebody took one in the face there. Right, so we're back in. Just got to clear this very back bit at the top. So I'm looking down right because this is where I got shot, and watch what this guy does now. To the right. Tries to throw a grenade at us. And he
Just grenaded
he
himself
grenades
there.
himself. I think it bounced off a tree or something. See the guy at the bottom there.
One more behind the green thing, even though there's 4. One behind the second green thing. Okay. Oh shit. Got him.
There, there's 2 out. Last 2 that were defending that part.
There was one
Oh
more.
no, there's one more.
Hey!
He got me. We're very close now to getting that bell. You'll see our guy actually go and get it now.
Go on.
There he goes, our guy back.
Nice, he's got it. He's got the bell.
There's one right there.
He's got the bell.
Game over, and you'll see I give this lad a kind of congratulations here because he played well.
Superb.
Played, mate.
Well played.
He played really well in, hiding under that bit. But yeah, the marshal says now that the blue team did beat us in that game by 6 minutes, which is a really bad,
Well played, mate.
defeat,
Good
to
game,
be
that.
honest. 6 minutes took us far too long to take that, but it was great fun. Brings us to the end. 4 games. So you have 2 domination,
6
which
minutes.
is capture the flag, and 2 attack and defend. Hope you enjoyed it. Great fun. That was the Outpost in Chester on Sunday the 1st of October. If you were there, it was the morning session. If you were there, give us a comment, let us know you were there. Keep an eye out for more videos coming up. Thank you very much, everyone.